Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon drizzle cake. First things first, measure out 5 ounces of butter into a mixing bowl, along with 5 ounces of sugar, and then cream the two together with a wooden spoon until light and fluffy. Then break in not 1, but 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Then thoroughly mix everything together. Before pouring in 5 ounces of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then give everything a quick mix, but before everything's completely incorporated, add in 1 ounce of milk or buttermilk, and the juice and zest of half a lemon. Then make sure everything's combined, taking care not to overmix. Next we need to line our 8-inch loaf tin by greasing up the sides and lining with baking paper, leaving some overlap so that we can easily lift our cake out of the tin. Now carefully pour your cake batter into your prepared tin, making sure it gets into all the edges, and tap to get out any large air bubbles. Then smooth off the top. And now this just needs to go into a preheated 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degree Fahrenheit oven for around 40 to 45 minutes. While that's in the oven, we can make the drizzle part of our lemon drizzle cake. Into a saucepan, measure out half a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and the juice and zest of half a lemon. Place onto a medium heat, stirring in frequently until the sugar has dissolved. Then just remove from the heat and place it to one side while we make the icing for the top of the cake. Into a bowl, measure out 6 tablespoons of icing sugar, along with 2 teaspoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, adjusting until you have a thin runny icing. 40 minutes later, warm out of the oven, we can brush over our lemon drizzle mixture, using a cake tester to poke several holes into the cake, and then use a brush to soak the cake in a thin layer of our drizzle mixture, taking care not to overdo it, which would leave us with a soggy cake. Then place your cake back into the oven for 5 minutes, before being greeted with a shiny, glossy, moist sponge. When cooled, carefully remove your cake from the tin. And last but not least, pour over your runny icing. And there it is. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think, or if you end up making this for yourself down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, check out my cooking playlist for more recipes. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, it really would be greatly appreciated. Leave any suggestions for future recipes you'd like to see down in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.